So yeah, just start off by telling us a little bit about your project and kind of the inspiration behind creating it.
The project that me and my team worked on was called Lissen. We used a Spotify API called Spotify. We wanted to create Lissen so that people could branch out into different music genres and broaden their music taste.
So yeah, I got a chance to check out like the code that you guys put together today, and could you talk about some of the challenges that came up?
This is our first time coding, our first class, and our instructor Alex was like a huge help. Just looking at the API commands, that helped us a lot with the website and seeing what the commands did.
Was there a certain moment that made you feel like some type of accomplishment?
2 days before demo day, when we finally hit the run button and everything was working, that month of work finally paid off.
We really appreciate your time, and we really hope that this project will help inspire students this semester to make just as creative and innovative projects as you did.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity.